Mince and Noodle Loaf. Boil the water in a large pot. In a separate pan, heat 4 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Add the mince and fry until the meat is browned and the juices have been reduced. Add half a teaspoon of salt to the boiling water, then add the noodles and continue to boil until cooked. Season the cooked mince by stirring in half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Grease the baking dish with 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. Drain the cooked noodles and spread them out in the baking dish. Put the mince on top, making sure to completely cover the noodles. Sprinkle the grated cheese over the mince. Bake for about 10 minutes in an oven preheated to 180 degrees centigrade until the cheese has melted and browned. When the dish is cooked, slice and serve hot.